I just got my TikTok back on my iPhone after the ban by following this Reddit post, so I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Send this to anybody who needs help. Here's the Reddit post. Take a second to screenshot it, and we are going to walk through this step by step. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is open up your app store and type in VPN 360. It is going to be the Super VPN 360 Unlimited VPN. Go ahead and download it. Once you have that downloaded, open up your app store and tap on your little icon in the upper right-hand corner. This is going to bring up your account. Tap on your name and email at the very top. It's going to bring you into your account settings. We are going to change the country and region to Canada. So tap on country region and click on change country or region. Go find Canada. I already have mine set to Canada. We're going to agree to the terms. So then the country region screen appears. You are going to select none for the payment method, put in a billing name. For the billing address, just use your regular street address that you have now. But for the city, you're going to type in Toronto. For the province, you're going to choose Ontario. For the postal code, enter M5C1X6. And for the phone number, put 164 and then type 7 digits and then hit next. So now your app store is set to Canada. You are going to pause here and restart your phone. When you come back, you are going to go into your settings and search for location and open up location services. Inside of location services, you are going to turn off location services. And it's going to pop up. You're going to hit turn off at the bottom. And then I also went in here and removed the share my location just in case. After this, you are going to turn on airplane mode. So you can do that in your control center by swiping down from the upper right-hand corner. We're going to click on the little airplane, and that's going to turn off all of our cell service. But you are going to want to stay logged into Wi-Fi. So turn your Wi-Fi on. While you're connected to Wi-Fi, we're going to open up the VPN 360 and connect it to the United Kingdom, and then turn it on, and it's going to connect. So once it's connected, swipe up from the bottom portion of your screen so that you can see all of your open apps, and make sure to close your app store. Reopen the app store and search for TikTok, and go ahead and download it and log in. I just did this like a half hour ago, and as you can see, I am back on TikTok. Thank God. Now stay with me so we can undo everything that we just did. Go ahead and swipe down from the upper left and turn off airplane mode. And then open up your VPN and you can disconnect it. So now open up your app store, click on your icon in the upper right-hand corner, tap directly on your name, and then click on country region, and we're going to change it back to the US. So agree to the terms and conditions and go ahead and enter all of your billing information. I'm going to skip past this part. So once you've changed your app store back to the United States, we're going to go into our settings and deactivate our VPN subscription. So open up your settings, tap on your name, and then tap on subscriptions. Then go find the VPN 360, tap on it, and cancel it. I've already canceled it prior to this, but here's where you would cancel it. And then finally, in your settings, we're going to turn back on our location. So type in location and location services. Then turn on location services. And if you had any of my share my locations on, go ahead and turn those back on as well.